Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy dust bath for your chickens, and it only requires 3 ingredients, and I'm going to start out by hopping over to my fireplace in the house and gathering ash there. So I am using about 1/3 of Diatomaceous Earth. I've already started putting some in my can here, and 1/3 of ash. Then I'm going to fill the rest of the 1/3 with just regular old dirt. Mix all of the ingredients together. And you don't have to make sure it's perfectly mixed. I mean, the chickens will kind of mix it themselves, but I kind of like to get it just a bit mixed here. So I'm going to take this to the chicken pen now, and I will go ahead and link the bag of Diatomaceous Earth that I get. I like to use the food grade because that's very important, and I get a really big bag because I use it on so many different things here on the homestead. There is my dust bath. I'm not going to leave it there. I'm going to put it by the side of the building, but I wanted to show you. So here you can see the holes where they're starting to dust, and then all along here, along the edge of their coop, is holes that they have been dusting themselves in. This is going to help with dust mites, and it's going to help in general with so many different things. I'm going to go ahead and just flash some up here on the screen. If you end up making a dust bath, I would love to hear about it. And I use this old container that we found at a yard sale, but you can use an old tire, a box, whatever is right for you and your chickens. They're curious.